Hi, I'm Kay Brandt, and I'm gonna change this whole thing right now. I'm an award-winning adult Hi, I'm Kay Brandt, and I'm an award-winning pornographer. I'm a writer-director of quality adult entertainment, known best for story porn. And this is my King Funder video campaign for the launch that's happening on January 1st, 2016. I'm here with this awesome and totally gorgeous group of performers. Would you like to give your names?
Will Powers, and I've been doing this for a little bit.
A little bit?
I'm Kaden Flex, a little bit too. Bianca Breeze. I'm Mercedes Carrera.
Chad Alba.
Aaliyah Love.
Derek Pierce.
And that's it. That's awesome, right? No. My King Funder campaign, why it's important to me, is because I want to connect with other like-minded individuals who really take their porn seriously and who care about the quality of their entertainment. And so what I have is a slate of films that are too taboo for the traditional studio system. And the first project that I want to do is based on a series of best-selling short books that I wrote. Are called the, what are they called? What's it called?
I know you wrote them.
Weren't you guys listening? The Servant Quarters Stepbrothers. And I will, in my little blurb, you'll see what the synopsis of the story is. But basically, that's what I want to do. I want to turn my books, these short stories that have very taboo subjects, and turn them into quality adult entertainment. And so I'm going to turn it back to the performers and see what they say. Derek?
I think an opportunity to support something like King Funder would be a blessing, because I know that pornographers like this and directors and writers don't really have the outlets that traditional people have. So this would be an opportunity for you guys to be able to participate on the backside and make something worth actually watching.
Anybody else like to say something?
Well, I'd be happy to. I think the most important part of this project is twofold, actually. The first part is that by supporting this project, you're supporting King Funder, which is a fabulous new platform, and it allows artists and performers to bring quality content to the viewer. And it allows us to also fund business-specific projects. So as a supporter, you are helping us and you're helping the entire industry. The other part of this project, which is so wonderful, is we're getting to hit a new market. I know there are so many erotic novel fiction fans that would love to see these stories brought to life. So if that's you, and I know it is, go ahead and help us out, and I think it'll change the market.
Exactly. So that's what this is. You have an opportunity to be a part of this, to actually invest and make your dollars count towards something amazing, beautiful, remarkable, and really nasty.
Yeah, we're not gonna go down either.
Dirty. And that's it. So here we go. Our first big King Funder campaign launching January 1st, 2016.